Hey, what's up everyone? I'm finally back. I know it's been a long time, but here I am. And today, like always, not like always, but we're going to be working on some peakers. So right here I got Procreate going, changing the color, getting it all set up, and here we go with the sketch. And if you don't know by the thumbnail or title, I'm working on Makima from Chainsawman. Alright, now that I got it all sketched out, we're going to move on. I'm going to lower the opacity, and we're going to go over it with the pen brush. Yeah, you know. Anyways, I'm going to be tracing the lines I like the best in my personal opinion, and just trying to make it look nice. Oh, and here we are in the eyes. Let's check this out. You gotta hold it down. Boom, perfect circle. You don't have to draw the whole face and erase some of the details like SpongeBob. This guy was doing the most. Anyways, I got the eye. Now we're gonna erase the extra, and there, it's done. Now we're moving on to my favorite part. We're gonna be coloring this in. Skin tone, done. Hair, done. Now that we got all the base colors done, here we go. We're gonna add some shadows to it so it doesn't look all plain. Staying on my shadows layer, I'm gonna go in, use the Gaussian blur, and I'm gonna blur it up, mix it in with the background. There we go. And now I'm gonna be doing the same thing with the hair, but with 3 colors. I'm gonna do a lighter shade for the top and a darker for the bottom, and blur them. Here I'm gonna be adding a little bit more highlight to the hair. We're gonna fill it in. Now we're gonna be erasing what we don't want. All that extra, gone. Get out of here. Leave. And since I'm short on time, here we go. Shadows, highlights, everything. Boom. There it is. We're completely done with the hair now. Now, my favorite part. We're moving on to the eyes. You guys didn't see it, but I drew in the red as well. We're filling in the yellow. Can't forget that white in the center. Once again, base colors are filled. Now we're going to add some shadows to it. I'm going in with a dark gray. Now we're going to use the Gaussian blur once again. There we go. The design is completely finished. Now let's get ready to print. We're going to take this over to our printer. Gotta turn it on, get it all nice and ready to go. We're gonna set up the image, and now we print. There it goes. And just a few minutes later, it's all done. Let's grab our box cutter and we're gonna cut these guys out. Let's take them over to our desk and we're gonna take off the extra vinyl. After all that's done, we're gonna grab our transfer paper. I use this one, I think it's called Clear Choice. And we're gonna stretch it out, put the vinyl right on top. Now, let's grab our squeegee, squeeze out all the bubbles. Squeeze out a word? I don't know. Anyways, that's done. Cut the extra. Now we're gonna cut them to shape. I'm gonna make this quick, guys. And just like that, we're completely finished. Alright, so check this out. Here's the design, and here's the sticker version. Check it out, guys. Here it is without the backing. And I guess that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up and share this video. It helps a lot. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time.